Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the flight footage section of this little camera in BTX. You remember this? This is the 1200 TV line from BetaFPV and their 25 milliwatt smart audio capable VTX. In the flight footage that you're watching, you should find something for everyone in there, I do believe. We've got in the backyard, which most of you are probably familiar with. We've got in the front, which I rarely fly out there, but it's a little bit of a different scene, so I thought it would be a good idea to give that a try. And we've also got some indoor flight. I'm going to show about a minute of each because I don't think you need to see a bunch of circuits of those particular areas, and a minute should give you plenty to digest. As you watch this video, remember this is coming from a camera that weighs under 3 grams. So if you're comparing it to a 7 or 8 gram Foxeer Predator or Runcam Eagle or what have you, if it doesn't weigh 2.5 to 3 grams, I think it's an unfair comparison. We're talking about a hyper micro camera here. Right now, the camera only is running for $16.99. You can also get it with the VTX. Again, that has smart audio, and then that is $25.99. So that VTX costs you just a little under $9 there. So something to consider. And if you see any jello in the flight video, I watched the flight video back time and time again, and there might be, but it's kind of hard to tell. If there is jello, it's probably from the mounting that I use. It's not locked down completely solid, and it is inside the TPU. It is somewhat flexible. So if there is jello that's discernible to you, I apologize. But I did use a gobble glue on that thing to keep it down inside that little mount. If you have any further questions or comments about this camera and VTX, please let me know. I'll do my best to provide you with an answer. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.